Rolling Stones record. Ozzy sits at the top. Yeah, when in Chicago, you gotta go to Rolling Stones records. This is the place. Spent many a teenage weekends here, going through albums and that. Pretty crazy, huh? That's amazing. I think I'm gonna go inside and check it out. Yeah, nothing like this place. Old school to the max. Disturb, oh Johnny. This is my buddy Johnny K's band. He recorded them.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Way too cool. Wow. It's been forever since I've been here.
Stopped in.
I spent many a weekends here when I was a teenager. How's the vinyl part of the business coming along?
Very good.
Yeah, yeah. It's growing quite a bit, huh?
Oh, yeah, tremendously.
Excellent.
Tremendously.
I hope you don't mind. I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel.
No, I hope so.
But
I don't know if you just got me. Please don't put me in.
I won't put you in there.
Okay, thank you. I've got a record.
You do?
I mean, I'm wanted. That's what.
By women or children or? That would be called needed, not wanted. All right, what a great place. Turning down right now.